believe that anywhere you go, you begin to exercise the authority that God has given you.
Your works of the flesh are manifested. To confess it, receive grace to overcome it. Whatever does not issue from the belly of the spirit is fled.
There is no better teaching, no better purpose in life, no better goal or dream like dwelling in the presence of God. If you are in this place and you've never surrendered your heart to Jesus, I beg you and request you to come.
It's over. Go. Over. Over. Not by